Stop it, you're getting me all wet. Stop it, Mr. Elephant, my feathers are wet.
Why should I stop? You are having fun, getting wet under the sun.
Please stop spraying me, it's kind of annoying. Because I love flying in the morning.
Hey, look, that elephant is being mean to the birdie. We should help her.
You are right, Fishy. Let's help the birdie.
Okay, Jelly, but how do we help the birdie? What's the plan?
I have an idea. Let's go get my friend Key the monkey. He can help scare the elephant away.
Then what will we do? The monkey is so small compared to the elephant. He won't be scared.
Key can get his other friend Leo the lion. He can scare the elephant away.
Okay, that sounds like a great plan. Let's call Key the monkey.
Key! Key, my friend, we need you! We need your help!
Hello, my dear friend Jelly. How can I help you?
Hello, Key. We need your help. This elephant is being mean to our friend Birdie. We want to scare him away. Can you get your friend Leo the lion?
Okay, I will go get Leo.